course is training on the 3D printing systems and also the laser cutting system so that I know how to use it and I can be safe about it. And I signed up for the course because I'm in the chemistry department, and it would be a lot more practical for some of my projects to work with the engineering department to come up with better solutions to help the research along.
We offer the courses, usually anyone that's willing to take them. A lot of the resources are for the College of Engineering, so College of Engineering students take precedence to use the equipment. Of course, if a student's outside the College of Engineering, we're more than happy to meet with them and consult, and also take in work orders where they can actually send us actual jobs and work with them to get them fulfilled.
3D printing is used a lot in so many STEM applications, so going into any graduate lab pretty much, it'll be very useful, especially in lab environments where you need to constantly build things or make new things happen.
We try to have an opening and welcoming environment here at the College of Engineering Makerspaces. We try to train all walks of life. We believe in trying to foster a sense of learning where no matter what your level is, you're free to come in and we can actually train you on something you may be familiar with, give you more insight, or if you're not familiar with it, actually open up your eyes to understand how the equipment works and actually learn something new.